Guys, we'll start with Walas. So here we have some 4 different brands. One is Pandian's brand and Pandi Lakshmi. Third one Indigo, and the fourth one is Ananda. So this one is the starting range. The price will be 150 rupees. The quality is not good. So I will show unbox and I'll show. Already unboxed it, but I lost my video, so I'm doing once again. So here we have Pandi Lakshmi. So this one is 200. This Indigo, my just favorite brand. This will cost you 250 rupees. And here Ananda's brand. This is a 350 rupees. And you can feel the weight for the different brands, and you will get an idea so how it works. It's very empty box, and here it's little bit stuff, and this one is much heavy. And finally we have Ananda's. It's too heavy, and they have mentioned extra power pack. We'll see. Now I will unbox and we'll see one by one. Guys, you can feel this is not different wallas. All this 4 is 1000 walla only. It has some quantity, but you see the chemical how it's spilled out. I don't think it will burst properly. And this one is 200 Pandi Lakshmi. This one is okay, fine, not bad. And here we have Indigo brand. This is very good quality. You see the crisp, how the fuses are there. And you can see the quantity difference between this Anandas and the Indigo. Still it's good quality, but I think the quantity is less. This will be 250 and this one is 350 rupees. But this pipe dia, you see, it's very small. It's filled with complete crackers. Here the dia is big, the cracker is less. So you can see the lines, how many crackers are there. So definitely here we have more quantity. So finally it's good to compare. I will show you these two. So this is Linga brand. I'm going to roll this so you see the length. Guys, don't worry, finally I'm gonna clean this all stuff. The second one is Pandi Lakshmi, cost 200 rupees. Now I'm going to roll this one. Okay. So the third brand, Indigo, cost 250. So definitely length will be more. So we'll see. So the final one, Ananda, 350 rupees. It has more crackers. You can see this. So let's roll this. Guys, now you can see the 4 different ones. So the starting one is 150. So the second one is 200. So this one is 250 and this one is 350. And the length you can see it's completely differs, and the quality also difference. Now I am going to burst these crackers one by one and let's see how it works.
Dan malian nanti dah. Oh, get musuh apa?